guys, Catherine here. I want to answer a very important question. Can you drink coffee with CKD? And the answer is yes, but with a but. Actually, coffee is safe and it even has some benefits for the health of your kidneys. But not everyone should be drinking it, and most important, not all the preparations are safe. Do you want to know more? Time to make some coffee. And now, let's see how scientists and researchers are answering this very important question. Is coffee healthy for the kidneys? There has been a long-standing controversy regarding coffee safety on blood pressure, heart health, and consequently on kidney health. Coffee is one of the most widely consumed beverages in the world. So today, scientists have tons of data on it. In particular, a recent review of 34 studies on people with high blood pressure, heart problems, and diabetes found out that drinking coffee in moderation is not just safe for people with high blood pressure or diabetes, it is even beneficial. So the answer to the question, is coffee healthy for the kidneys, is definitely a yes. Coffee has some very interesting benefits for kidney health. It's rich in nitric oxide, which is known to help relax blood vessels. This in turn helps kidney and heart health. Coffee is also very rich in antioxidants. In fact, coffee shows more antioxidant activity than green tea and cocoa, two antioxidant superstars. Actually, researchers believe that people get away more antioxidants from these three beverages than from any other food. Coffee is also known to help lowering insulin resistance, help lose weight, and improve energy levels. Don't underestimate this last benefit. Improved energy levels mean that you can do more things with your time, including working out, for example. Yes, if you can drink a cup of coffee and then use that extra energy to do some light exercising, you are giving your kidneys the best gift there is. This is why, according to researchers, coffee may actually help you live longer. According to new research involving nearly 5,000 people with chronic kidney disease, a hike in daily caffeine intake appeared to lower their odds of an early death. This study proves that greater caffeine intake is tied to greater life expectancy for people with chronic kidney disease. Kidney disease patients with caffeine intake in the high range had about a 25% lower risk of death over an average follow-up of 5 years. Now, this is really surprising actually, especially because coffee is still seen as a dangerous, addictive beverage by many. Even doctors sometimes tell their patients to avoid coffee. But why? There are actually two reasons why coffee may be dangerous. First of all, some people are too sensitive to caffeine, especially those not used to coffee. So it may raise their blood pressure. So if you are not used to drinking coffee, be very careful with it. Also, some people find drinking coffee causes insomnia, anxiety, or heartburn. Avoid coffee if you are having problems with it. Now, the main reason why coffee gets a bad rap is obviously sugar and creamers. Coffee is healthy, as we have seen, and it is an acceptable beverage for kidney disease if consumed in moderation. Without sugar and additives such as milk and creamers, it can be really healthy. By the way, do you want to see the healthiest coffee preparation in the world? This video up here may interest you. This is all for today. See you next Tuesday. Bye!